Recently, I posted a full training video about how to find your ideal employers overseas. I will leave a link to that full training video for you below this one. But there are two reasons why this is important. Number one is if you know exactly who your ideal employers are, you can find out exactly what they want. And this means that you can create a profile to match what they want and to align with their requirements. So you never hear this thing of you don't match the requirements, because you're actually aligning everything that you put in front of them with their requirements. So honing down or narrowing down your ideal employers gives you that extra benefit of exactly knowing what to match. The second benefit is that you can then go and find the ideal hiring managers inside these employers in your destination country. You don't have to fool around figuring out who to connect to on LinkedIn, because you can just literally go to these employers, their pages on LinkedIn, look for the hiring managers inside that organization and connect with them and build an audience from those people. Laser focused, targeted, easy to find connections, and then you don't have to fool around not knowing who to connect to on LinkedIn. So these two benefits are really the benefits of finding your ideal employers. Like I said, there is a full training video of showing you how to find these ideal employers, and I'll leave a link for that below this video.